Hi, and in this video I would like to show you how easy it is to generate a DDR from FileMaker Pro Advanced and import it into Inspector. So here's a FileMaker file that I have opened. It's from one of those starter solutions, and you'll need FileMaker Pro Advanced to generate the DDR. So that is available from the Tools menu, Database Design Report. You'll check off all the files where you have full access available, and you'll want to save it out as an XML format. And I'm just going to save it out into this folder down here on the left. And you'll see that it already created two files, a summary file and the DDR file that represents the metadata for that database. So we're done with that part. Let me close this out. Let me hide it. And now we're just going to open up Inspector. So I already have it launched, so that's why it came up so quickly. Let me go ahead and now tell Inspector to import that DDR and parse it. So you can have multiple solutions. I've already have another solution in here that I've processed. Here's the issue tracking solution, which is this one here. So I'm going to go ahead and tell it to import. But before I do that, let me actually bring up a window to the XML output that the plugin will generate. So keep your eyes on this list of files that will appear here on the right in that folder. Once I start the process here, you can name your analysis some name, and you can have these options checked or unchecked to have auto detection turned on, and I'll get into more details about these items in a future video. Okay, let's go ahead and point it to the summary file that we generated. And so again, keep your eyes out on that folder, and you'll see here that basically it processed the DDR. It's done all the processing for that file, and what it started doing automatically here is it is now importing all those XML files. I'll take a moment here as it continues parsing this information and importing it. As it continues importing it, is to mention that the plugin is threaded. So now it's, as you can see, it's done parsing and importing, and now it's moved on to the step of post-processing, which is a number of different things that it does. It cleans up some script steps, nests them, and then it moves on to some of the other options that we had checked. So checking for problems, warnings, and suggestions, and then it'll do some dependency aggregation and such. But again, the plugin is multi-threaded, so it's very, very fast, and in some cases the XML parsing, we managed to squeeze out like significant performance improvements. So you'll see some huge gains in performance and parsing your DDRs. So it's done the whole process of parsing and importing, and I'll leave you with that for now for this video. But you can explore this solution by going to other areas here, which I'll show in future videos. And just to show you this part here, which you can explore as well. When you import larger solutions, you'll probably want to see how long it took to actually parse certain parts of the DDR, and how long it took to import the DDR, and how long it took to actually do some of these other things that it mentions it does. So thanks for watching, and watch some other videos shortly. Thanks.